hours after the raid on Macon. We're heading up an all-out assault on Peleliu Island. No POWs to rescue this time. My mission, take the airfield and cripple their supply network. Alongside familiar faces, fresh-faced recruits. The older guys like Miller, Sergeant Sullivan, and myself. We're known as the old breed. Old. We're not even in our 20s.
It's time.
Good luck, all of you. This is it, Miller.
Okay, keep it together and we'll get through this in 3 days.
There they go. Bastards ain't gonna know what hit them.
Navy's been bombing the hell out of the island for 2 days straight. Miller, the enemy resistance on the beach. You get on that radio and call for immediate missile support.
Don't think twice.
Roma, I want you up the beach and at that tree line ASAP. You're on point. We move in, my guy. What the hell? Is that one of ours? Right. East Bridge. Stay with him, Marine.
Other RBT's been hit!
Everyone, keep your heads down. You hear me?
20 seconds!
Hang in there, kid. You need to get off this thing. Drop the rail. That fucking silver on us anytime.
It's the coral! Stop on the...
Drop the rail. I got you, Miller. You're still one. Last on the ship. Told you it's not a defensive line. Tell you to be on the tree line. We got heavy MG fire. Heavy MG. Don't let him get a fix on you! Move! Move!
What the hell is this?
Ready?
What's the meaning of the business?
That rocket strike should have stopped him up!
Stay down! What do we do? Get moving! Find the
Stay
sword!
over! Hit the deck! Flamethrower, move up! Fix bayonets! Use them if you have to! Taking position.
Miller, we gotta take him by surprise. Get the jump on these bastards. Deputy, we got him.
Roma, Miller, good work. Get on those MTs and tell them up. Everyone, on me.
What now, Sarge?
Secure the surrounding area. Wait for the major's
How
orders.
do we rest?
Soon, Kowalski. Soon.
Sullivan, no, hold on!